Hey everybody, Travis here with Shoebox Treasures. We just got back from vacation and I had quite a bit of mail waiting for me. So without further ado, let's take a look at mail day.
All right, I have a 1974 Topps Chuck Foreman rookie card. 1974 Topps Ahmad Rashad rookie card. 1973 Topps Ken Anderson rookie. 1973 Topps Franco Harris rookie card. We got a 73 Topps Jack Tatum rookie. Then we got a pair of 1971 Topps Terry Bradshaw rookies. I really love this 3.5. She's off center, but beautiful card. And then we got a 1976 Crane Discs Walter Payton.